So it always appears to be that something is happening in Jamaica. You can't catch a breath, you can't catch a breath, you can't catch a second. It's just one disaster to the next. So of course, today we're going to talk about the whole Cooper's Hill incident. So 40 families are now homeless following an early morning demolition in Cooper's Pen, Trelawney. Now, it is difficult for informed people to arrive at a conclusion when there is so much information missing. So first you have the mayor of Trelawney, Colin Gager, and by extension the Trelawney Municipal Corporation, who appears to not know what is exactly going on in its own municipality.
Government knows nothing about it. The Trelawney Municipal Corporation knows nothing about it.
Then you have Trelawney North Member of Parliament, Tovia Hamilton, who also appears to be unaware that a demolition operation was taking place.
It was private sector led. And at no time before the operation began was I, as Member of Parliament, informed that an eviction or demolition exercise was going to take place. I found out when the people were already being bulldozed.
As well as the man who is responsible for housing.
I had no prior knowledge of it. None of our ministers, certainly not the Member of Parliament. I got a call very early in the morning, quite surprised.
Now, blessed of course is the pure in heart. But how pure was this display of compassion? Check this video out, people, from the Ministry of Labour and Social Security. This whole incident was a humanitarian crisis. Argue with your mother about that. Who authorized the state, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, at 3 a.m. to go in and remove 25 men from the community? Them locked them up for hours while the demolition was taking place, and yet still no charges have been laid against the men. So my question to you is, who authorized the police to be there? Was the police a part of this operation? So what exactly is the legal basis for you to detain the men, fingerprint them, take them personal belongings, and lock them up for hours? I mean, how does approximately 40 families wake up to a demolition operation and the elected representative, the municipal corporation, and the prime minister no know what go on in them country? So I'm pretty much conflicted where this situation is concerned. On one side of the coin, I'm thinking about the landowner and his legal right to occupy and to use his land or her land however they see fit. And I'm thinking about the person who has been there long before the establishment came in and acquired the land and now have nowhere to go. And I am left to wonder or even ask this question that this young man asked.
As a citizen, I'm a national, I'm a native. Me no run away for nowhere come here. A Jamaica me born and grow. Me no squatters, me can't be squatters in a Jamaica. No boy can't tell me say me a squatters in my country.
So I would definitely love to know what your thoughts are, people. Do we have any agency in this country? Is owning land for the lesser of us just a myth? Or is it even a possible reality? I would love to know what your thoughts are in the comment section below.